500 people are there. Now, I will open the chat box. I will open the chat box. Kindly, at least anyone has to talk. When somebody is talking, please mute your call. Okay. Now, 298 people have answered for the question. If it is not coming to you, there may be problem in your area. How that 298 people have answered for the question? Okay. Now, the poll. Now let me. I will share the result of the poll. I am ending the poll. I have ended the poll. Okay. I have ended the poll. Is it audible? Is it audible? Yeah, that is right and good. Now, the first question is critical factor is in hypnosis. In hypnosis, critical factor is emotional disbalance of client self, both A and B. Okay, actually the answer is none of them. Critical factor. When I use the word critical factor in hypnosis, it is not A, it is not B, it is C. Actually, none of them. What is critical factor? That we will see it now. Today we will see. Okay. Then Hall hypnosis is self hypnosis. Okay. That is actually true. Hall, even if you are putting your client in hypnosis, actually it is a self hypnosis. Self hypnosis means only when you agree, only when you are okay with it, you can be put in hypnosis. That means all hypnosis is self-hypnosis. Nobody can put you in hypnosis. You have to agree. When you have to agree, when I say means not only your conscious mind, your conscious and subconscious both have to agree, okay, I am ready. Then only it is possible. So, all hypnosis is self-hypnosis. Then, alpha waves in brain waves are negative. Okay. Actually, that is false. That is false. Alpha waves, that is a good wave. So many people have written negative. Okay. So this is just to understand where you are as far as the science is concerned. Okay. Now let us go to the session. Before going to the session, I want every one of you to come on to the video for a second. Whoever is possible. I don't want everyone because you may be having some problem. But tomorrow onwards, we will be having sessions. Even now, we will be having practical sessions. Please come on the video. And definitely, I will be introducing to you people, many grand people, highly successful people. One of the highly successful people, it is in front of me, Dr. P. Madhumalar. Dr. Madhumalar, can you say hi to people? She is a doctor, she is a physiotherapist, she is having her own clinic in Chennai. And she is going to train us in Switcho. Okay. So we have Dr. Rati. Okay. Okay. Now let us move on to the session. Please come on the video as far as possible. Just for 1 second. Just for 1 second. Okay. Now keep your hands like this. Keep your hands like this. Okay. Keep your 2 fingers like this. Please come on the video. Please come on the video. Please put it like this. Okay. Now, just look at these 2 fingers. Not mine, yours. Okay. Not mine, yours. Look at both the things and slowly bring it together. Touch it. Slowly remove. Slowly come. Slowly remove. Put your complete attention on the fingers. 3 times. Okay, that's very nice. Now, the first aspect is whether people can be hypnotized. Whether people can be hypnotized means if people are willing, they can be hypnotized. Now what I did was hypnosis. I asked you to do something. You didn't ask any question. Why it has to be done? What is the idea behind this? What is the science behind this? You didn't ask any questions. You didn't ask any questions. You started following it. Immediately, the moment I told keep it like this, you kept it like this, and you started doing this. Now, the first thing for hypnotherapy or hypnosis to happen, trust. Trust is to be there with the client and also with the therapist. Only when there is a trust, all other thing happens. Now you are trusting me. Now you trust me that Shiva is telling something, there will be something behind it. Then you start doing it. There is a trust. If there is no trust, if there is some question, some of you might have not done it. Arey, देखते हैं क्या बोलता है, फिर बाद में करते हैं. Let us see first, then let us do what is it, then let us do. We would have come to that position. That means you cannot be hypnotized because you have questions. Now, if you don't want, I will not be able to make you to do this. Whoever trusted me, you did it. Whoever has no trust or whoever wanted clarification, they didn't do it. The simple aspect is, only when you want, hypnosis is possible. If you don't want, hypnosis is not at all possible. It cannot be possible. So today we are going to see art therapy hypnosis, and before that I welcome Jayabhadri to give us a brief about what is hypnotherapy and various aspects about hypnotherapy. Welcome, Jayabhadri. Jayabhadri? Jayabhadri? Acha. Jayabhadri, are you here? Okay, no problem. I think she will be joining. Now we will go to the aspect. I am just presenting my screen. Okay. Is it visible? See whether the screen is visible?
No, sir.
Jayabhadri? Jayabhadri? Whenever, can you kindly check up what happened to Jayabhadri? She is in our group only.
All right.
Okay. Okay, team. So, quickly let us go into the basics of hypnosis. Then we will do some practical aspects from hypnosis. Okay. So, the first one is what is hypnosis or what is hypnotherapy? Hypnosis is a heightened state of suggestibility. Heightened state of suggestibility means, now I asked you to do like this. Okay? The moment I told you started doing suggestibility. I suggest something, whether your mind, whether it is in the state of receiving, whether it is in the state of accepting, whether it is in the state of trusting. That is suggestibility. Only when there is a suggestibility, hypnosis and hypnotherapy can happen. So it is a heightened state of suggestibility. Heightened state. Now we are in the awareness. When you are in a heightened awareness, when you are in the extreme form of relaxation, then what the heightened suggestibility which we give, which if it acts as a therapeutic medium, then that is hypnosis. Therapeutic medium means, suppose if you are having any kind of limitations if you have, and here, through the suggestibility, if we try to bring it out or evade it or to erase it or to remove it, that means a hypnosis, hypnotherapy process is happening. Now, I am opening the chat box. Please team, please don't put any kind of what you call link etc. in the chat box. Okay. I have one question. What are your limitations? Please put any two limitations you have in there. Please put any two limitations. Sir, I will not be able to learn karate. One person said when I was in a college. Okay. I have fear of talking in public. I have fear of cooking. So I cannot wear sari, sir. Sir, the only thing which I fear in the life is sari. Chudidar okay, sir. Sari, oh my God, no sari. Phobia, sari phobia. Okay. What are the limitations? Manasi,
Sir, Jaya is in the group. She's Jaya.
okay, 1 minute, Jay. Yeah. So please put it in a specific terms. Don't put it anxiety. Please put what anxiety? Okay. Any two aspects. Very, very nice. Any two limitations which bothers you in your day-to-day life. Okay. Suppose fear of snakes. हर रोज थोड़ी हम snakes को देखते हैं. घर के अंदर तो snakes नहीं आता है कि नहीं? Everyday things when I'm doing procrastination and anger, जैसे normal चीज जो है, what are the limitations you have? What are the limiting belief? What are the limiting belief? That is, I can't do, I can't do. This is a limiting belief. I will not be able to climb mountain. Limiting belief. What are the limiting belief you have? Which is hampering your day-to-day activities. हर दिन का जो काम जो है उसका जो रूप है उसके बारे में बोलो. Yeah. I'm sorry, Riva. ஆமா கிளாஸ்ல இருக்கேன். சரி. ஓகே. சரி. கிளாஸ்ல நான் பேச முடியாது. வைக்கிற போன் வைக்கிறேன். Keep all these aspects in your mind. Keep all these aspects in your mind. Whatever you have written so far, that let us try to attend. In the 5 days, our goal is to come out of the limiting belief. The 5 days course which we are going to take, this 5 days program, it is to do a self-hypnosis. The first aspect is, it is not to do self-hypnosis with others. No. Self-hypnosis with our own self. To come out of the limiting belief. So this is what our goal. See, as far as hypnosis or hypnotherapy is concerned, whenever we do any kind of therapy session, what we say, we should have a goal. Even for the training session, the 5 days training session, we should have a goal. We means we all should have a goal. The goal is to get rid of the limiting belief which we have put up in the chat. Okay. So 5 days we will work towards it, and after 5 days we will take a post assessment whether how far we have succeeded. Okay. Now I give the stage to Jay Badri. She will be talking about the introduction. Then we will do the practical aspect. Yes, Jay Badri, please go.
Thank you, sir. Hope I'm audible to everyone. Okay. Okay. Hi all. Very good evening. I'm Jaya Badri from Emocare, and in today's session, our aim is to have more fun and to overview the history of hypnotherapy and of course what is meant by hypnotherapy. Okay. So I'll share my screen. Just a second. Okay. So is my screen is visible?
Yes, visible.
Okay. Okay, sir. Just a minute. Okay, so today we are going to see about what is hypnosis and what is meant by hypnotherapy. So I'm very sure I'm going to clear the doubt between the hypnosis and the hypnotherapy. So let's have more fun in this session. So let's move on to the session. First, what exactly the hypnotic stage and what is meant by hypnosis, right? So everyone has a doubt like what is this and how it works and is it really work, right? Okay, so hypnosis is a process of making the subject in the sense the client to enter the trance-like state. Let me clear you what is meant by trance state. So trance state is a state. It is like a semi-state, like you're not fully aware or you're not fully unconscious. You're in the middle of state. That is why this is called trance state or semi-state, semi-conscious state. Okay. For example, like sleep-like state. Okay. So in which suggestions may be given to the subconscious mind. Okay, suggestions in the sense that there will be a positive suggestions you have to give to the subconscious mind, who's the person will be in the trance state, so which may enable them to heal or improve some aspect of their lives when they return to their waking state. That is from trance state to their waking state. Okay, so see, first of all, there will be no swinging pocket watches. Okay, no mind tricks. Even you do not go into the so-called unconscious mind. As I said before, it is a trance state. It is like a semi-state. You will be like not fully conscious or not fully unconscious. You will aware of everything that you're surrounded of. Okay. So, for example, you may know that someone who has had a hypnotherapy session will say, I had a hypnotherapy session and I didn't go that under. I could hear everything that was being said. So first of all, there is no such understatement in hypnotherapy or hypnosis. Like hearing everything that is being said is exactly how it is in hypnotic states or when you are going through the hypnotherapy. Okay. So while in the trance state, our conscious mind takes the back seat and the subconscious mind takes the driver's seat. Let me tell you. See, I've made this for a clear-cut information for you to understand that what is subconscious and conscious mind, that how it works while we are in a trance state. Okay, so just think about your mind as iceberg. Okay, so the tip of the iceberg is our conscious mind, which makes up of short-time memory and thinking and planning and logical, right? So beneath the surface, the deeper part, it is your subconscious mind. So it has the involuntary bodily functions like your beliefs, your emotions, your functions, right? So hypnotherapy is not like what to say, it's not a mind trick or it is not a mesmerizing and all. It is a kind of therapy in which we are using a hypnosis. So that is why this is called hypnotherapy. Okay. So the term hypnosis is putting the client into the trance state, and the trance state will be like the semi-conscious state. So the therapy we are using hypnosis is called hypnotherapy. Okay. So I hope these terms will clear your mind. So hypnotherapy can be like used to help the client to overcome their problems. Like if the client has any stress problems, any phobias, any depression, or like phobias in the sense like public speaking or addiction. Okay, so addiction in the sense such as drinking, smoking, like that. Okay, so the basic idea is that we all have subconscious mind, which is very powerful but untapped, right? So the power can be tapped during the hypnotherapy session. That will make the positive changes in our lives. So that is the matter of hypnotherapy. It is not about mesmerizing. It is not about taking the truth from you, and it is not about mesmerize you and do these things. No, it is a kind of therapy that will relax your mind and that will change your waking state. That will change your life. It will help you more. So giving suggestions to our subconscious mind during the hypnotic trance state will have a more powerful effect in making effective changes in our lives. Okay, so this therapy can also be used in combination of NLP, like CBT, or mindful based stress reduction, that is MBSR, etc. So solve particular problems with each therapy. Each therapy will have different kinds of therapies which will work in different ways and have their own complementary, like they will have some strengths and weakness. Okay, so hypnotherapy works better when the issue of the subject has a strong psychological or mind element to it. Okay, for example, getting extra confidence, or getting rid of any addiction, like as I said before, smoking, or common phobia, like that. Okay, so there are many types of hypnosis. Like sir said before, there is a self hypnosis, conversational hypnosis, stage hypnosis. So one important thing you have to keep in mind is that all hypnosis are self hypnosis. Nobody can make someone to enter hypnotic state, trance state, or to make changes in their lives as a result of the hypnotherapy session. No, not at all. The hypnotist at best empowers or enables the subject, enables the client to be in the trance state, and it is up to them to act upon those suggestions. So if hypnotherapy works best when the subject wants to be really healed or really want to overcome their problems, like that. Okay, so we form our own worlds throughout our mind. So we cannot change what is external to us, but our mind reacted to our problems is completely internal. So we can train our minds through hypnotherapy. Okay, and there are some other techniques to react with everything in a more healthy manner. Okay, so coming to the history of hypnotherapy. So the word hypnotherapy or hypnosis or hypnotism, it was mainly introduced by Franz Mesmer, an Austrian physician. So, okay, so Mesmer believed that there is a mystical force flowing from the hypnotist to the subject. That is from one person to another. He believed that there is some power, there is some force flowing throughout the body, and that fluid, he named that fluid called animal magnetism. So as Mesmer had a very high percentage of cure because of that, and he cures numerous patients and he cures numerous clients, and his reputation grew too. So he also claimed that placing the patient into the trance state was very, very essential to helping or healing them. Okay, so there are many famous persons like James Braid. He also talked about hypnotherapy. He was a Scottish physician and surgeon, and he talked about the influential of hypnotism in medical hypnotherapy. He did some research in hypnosis and formed some ideas about it. And then he concluded that hypnosis is such a powerful tool, could be cure many diseases. He believed that. He came to conclusion that hypnotherapy can cure many diseases. So he actually gave us the most popular name, that is the hypnosis and hypnotherapy, which is derived from the Greek word hypnos, which is mean by sleep, to sleep. Okay, and next, a very known person, Sigmund Freud. He also involved in hypnosis during his days. He was probably one of the most famous people to use hypnosis. He also became impressed by hypnosis for its therapeutical uses, for curing such neural disorders too. So hypnotism became one of the earliest psychoanalytic techniques of Freud. So throughout the world, the hypnosis has been endorsed as a therapeutic method. So please try to understand that it is a therapeutic method. And hypnotherapy is very useful tool also for childbirth. There is a session called hypnobirthing too. Okay, hypnotherapy is that it treats most health conditions. Its main goal is it treats most health conditions such as psychological conditions. So it is possible to avoid heavy loads of prescriptions instead of enjoying and relaxing the atmosphere during hypnotherapy, right? So we can enjoy throughout the session by just training our subconscious mind. So always remember this: think well, act well, feel well, and be well. So with that, I conclude my presentation, and I hope you got some idea of what is hypnotherapy and all. So thank you, Shiva sir, for letting me to talk about this, and thank you for all bearing with me. So
Thank you, Jay Badri. Can you just take out the screen?
yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, Ji. Now, let us go into the acts. Okay. We have been using several words of trance. We have been using a word trance. Okay. We have been using words like hypnosis and hypnotherapy. Let us try to understand these brain waves, etc. one by one. We have 4 more days. Today, let us try to do something practical. Okay. Now, please take the paper. Please take the paper, pencil, pen. The only thing which I request is, trust me, there will be question inside you. There will be question inside you. How that pencil, paper, scale, this is going to help me in hypnotherapy. You will be able to understand more about hypnotherapy when you do this exercise after doing this exercise. Okay? So, hope you are all ready. I have opened the chat box also. Yeah. Okay. Next class, what time? This class itself not finished, sir. This is what we call is a future. Sir, let us complete today class. Then let us talk about tomorrow class. Somebody now will ask, sir, when you will give the certificate? Now that I attended the first class, 30 minutes over, when you will give the certificate? Okay. We need to laugh, smile, isn't it? Smile a lot, okay? Don't be serious. Smile, okay? Yeah. Now, see, I will show you some aspects, okay? I will show you some aspects. If you just go and refer the website, okay? If you refer the website, is it visible? See this. This is Google, okay? Google I have searched. If you see, Hypnotic Mandela. Hypnotic Mandela. Mandela art, it is one of the a very important aspect which can put you into the hypnotic state or the trance state. Mandala is very, very powerful. Mandala is very, very powerful. It can put a person easily into trance and easily into hypnotic aspect. Now that is what we are going to do today. This is in a way it is called self-hypnosis. We are going inside for a complete mindfulness, complete heightened awareness. We are going to try. Okay. So what we are going to do is, this is completely, it has been done by many people, so that I have just shown you the Google search result. Okay. So now we will go it. First, what we will be doing is, we will be learning to do a mandala. Okay. First, we will be learning to do a mandala for 5 minutes. Okay. You will be putting it. Then we will be doing the mandala in the mind. Okay. Then we will do a small hypnosis session we will be doing. Then again we will be doing the mandala on the pen. Okay. This is the steps. Okay. So maybe today I will be able to complete it by 2045. Humaiza Azam, okay. Are you people ready? Shall we go ahead? Only Humaiza Azam, please don't repeat the same question. Okay. When is the next class? Attend this class. And if you are not interested, please go out. Please don't put unwanted messages in the group. Okay. Just go with the flow. Okay, ready. Now, look at, take the paper and pencil. Okay. Take the paper and pencil. Take the paper and pencil. Fold the paper. See, I told you should have a square paper. Okay. Can you people come on the video? Can you people come on the video and show me the paper? Fold the paper. See, it is Hindu man. This is in rectangular. Make it square. Make it square. How you will make it square? And build it. Make it square. Square. Evangeline, that is rectangular. Amit Verma, that is correct. That is square. Create a square. A3 paper or A4 sheet, whatever may be, make it square. How you will make square? Yeah, this is what Hindu Murali has done it. Okay? Yeah, Saurav, that's very nice, Saurav, Shakti. Super, super. See, this is this I love it. I love it. Evangeline, super, great. Now, fold the paper. Okay, fold the paper like this and fold the paper four, so that you will get the center point. Yeah, fold it once, then again fold it. Can you show it, Hindu Murali? Yeah, like this. Like this, please fold it and open it. When you open, you will be having a center point. You will be having a center point. Now look at this. Now look at this. Look at this. Look at my cursor. Keep a center point. Okay. 1 inch by using scale. By using scale or by using your own statistical methods. 1 inch that side, 1 inch this side. Okay, keep a dot. Horizontally keep a dot and also vertically keep a dot. Now you can see like this. See it here. Vertically put a dot. Horizontally put a dot. Okay. Now, whoever is having doubt, please open the mic and you can ask. I have opened the mic. Is it clear? Center 1 point. Okay. Then 1 inch below and upper. Yeah. Very nice.
Excuse me, sir.
Please mute your class.
Sir, is it visible to you?
Can you repeat it, sir?
This is why I didn't open the mic. This is
Sir,
why.
can you repeat?
So, excuse me, is this correct, sir?
Yes, correct. Yes, correct.
Sir, is it okay?
Yeah, okay. Now, obviously, now look at.
Is it okay?
So,
I cannot tell everyone. For 500 people, I cannot say okay. Okay?
okay,
Please
sir.
don't ask that question. Please, I request all of you. If 500 people ask me,
Sir, once again, please.
we have to understand and proceed. Okay? Go to the relaxed mode. Okay? Whatever you will be doing, it's correct. You have to understand there is only one person facilitator. He will not be able to answer for 500 people. Okay? Thank you very much for your kind understanding. Now, look at this. Now, you have kept these dots. No talk, please. I will be closing it. No talk. Don't ask any question. I will ask them open the mic. Now come to the second one. This is where I have kept the cursor. That is the second one. Please see it. The second one. Please, here is what we have kept the dot. Please mute your calls. Certain people, they will not understand. See, you have kept a dot here. In between keep a dot. And in between keep a dot so that it becomes a circle. See here, it becomes a circle. Then from this dot 1 inch keep a dot. From this dot keep 1 inch dot. Okay. Like that 1 inch. I am showing in the cursor. Keep dot like this. See, simple one circle here, then another circle here. How you will get it? Central you are having a dot. 1 inch this side, 1 inch this side, 1 inch this side, 1 inch this side you have made. Now in between make the dot so that you get a round. Then extend it by one more aspect. Extend it by one more aspect. Okay. Jack Robert, I cannot give you approval. Please don't ask again. Okay. A circle, then a circle. Okay. Then dots here. You can see the dots. Okay. Now, hope you might have understood. Okay. Dot, circle, and again dot, circle, then again 1 inch. Okay. Wherever you have kept a dot now, above that you have to keep a dot. Then it becomes a circle. It's very simple. It is very simple. It is very simple. Anyone who has made it, please show it in the camera. Please show it in the camera. Evangeline has made it. Evangeline, 1 minute. I will spotlight for everyone. See, very nice Evangeline. Evangeline, superb. Superb Evangeline. Superb. Now Evangeline, you have to make another one. Okay? Very simple. Very simple. Now if you see here, what Evangeline, Satya Rabu, 1 minute, I will spotlight it. Satya, please show it. Yeah. Now, one more inch put and increase the dots. Now, again I am showing. Now, look at this. Look at this. The second one. This is the first round you have made it. Now 1 inch above, just put it. Okay. 1 inch above, just put it and create dots here and again create dots. First round you have made it. So here you have the central dot. There is a line. Okay. Line. If you draw the line, you will be able to understand. You have a circle here. See the circle here and see the circle here. Hope it is understood. Hope it is understood. Now I am opening the mic. I don't want everyone to ask the question. Please raise your hand.
No.
Please raise your hand. I will call. I will call by name. If you have any doubts, please raise your hands. Yeah, Kavita, what is the doubt, Kavita? What is the doubt? Yeah. Satya, can you show it one more time? Satya, can you show it one more time so that people will be able to understand? Satya has made it nicely. I'm sure I'm doing the spotlight to her. 1 minute. Where is Evangeline and 1 minute. Spotlight. Now see, this is what? Clear. Evangeline has made it very clear. You can see it here. See the lines. Okay. And one by one, you can, Evangeline, you can make a circle. The first dots, create a circle. Second also create a circle. Okay. And increase the dot one more time. One more dot.
Sir.
One more dot.
Okay, sir.
Green color.
Please mute your cards. Yeah, Lata inspiring. It was very nice. See, I am showing this. Wonderful. See, simple. Lata has made it wonderful. See, the first one, the second one, third one. Third one also, can you circle it, Lata? Third one also circle it and create the line. Put the line also. Put the line also and just kindly show it. See, one by one people are showing. It is just for your understanding. Okay? Just put it. Then we will go. Actually, now we are learning. We are not doing hypnotic Mandela. Now we are learning Mandela. After learning Mandela, we will go for hypnotic Mandela. And you will really enjoy the process, I am telling you. You will enjoy like it. Okay? Yeah. Now, Lata, again I am showing. Yeah. See, Lata, I think you will be able to see it. How nicely she has made it. Just like that. And I will. Yes, very nice. Very correct. Saitya Nejwa. It is absolutely wonderful. Absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. Yeah, Hindu Murali. Hindu Murali. Hindu Murali, it is correct. Hindu Murali, one more round also you can put it. One more round also. One more round also you can put it. Any other person? Neelam Dubey. Neelam Dubey. Neelam Dubey, you can, camera. You have to put it, show it in front of the camera. Yeah. Little bit. Super. See, very nice. Neelam, can you little bit take it above? Sort of upper lena? Very nice. As Correct. Keep it as it is. Team, please look at this. This is what I want. See, center there was a dot, and first round, the second round. Now, Neelam, one more round you can create. One more round you can create. Yeah, Evangeline, that was very nice. Okay. I think everybody has completed. If you have completed, that is, I want you to complete the 4 lines. See here. I want you to complete the first one, second one, and third one, and the fourth one. The fourth one is here. On current slide. See the fourth one. There should be 1, 2, 3, 4 circles. Here 3. Even you can put 4 circles. Okay, 4 circles you can put. Then please put it in the chat box. It's over. Then we will go to the next one. Yeah. It's over. Preeti Satyanarayan. Preeti, can you show it, Preeti? Preeti from Yamocat. Preeti from Yamocat. Where are you? Yeah. Preeti. Acha. Sahitya Raghu, I think she has made it. 1 minute. Replace spotlight. Yeah, very nice. Super. Look at this thing. This is what? Sahitya Raghu has made it very nicely. Okay? Okay. Very nice, Sahitya. Now, team, keep it, keep that, complete it and keep it in front of you. Done. Jock Robert. Jock Robert, you were going on asking to permission for sharing the screen. No, not allowed. Yeah. Okay. Now, shall we go to the next aspect? But everybody is ready? Very nice. Okay. Ready? Please come on the video. Now, before coming on, please come on the video and look at this. I want you to look at this. Okay? Look at this. Okay? Team, please look at this. Please look at this. Okay. Every one of you, please look at this. Now, look at this. Just look at it. Completely immerse on it. I want you to immerse on it. Just try to see, observe. What are the colors? What are the colors? What are the shapes? Put yourself completely into it. Put yourself completely into it. Take a deep breath. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Look at the screen. Look at the screen. Just try to understand the colors. Concentrate on the colors. Concentrate on the various forms. Concentrate on various shapes. Let your complete concentration go to the center first. From the center, slowly widen it. Slowly widen it and look one by one. One by one, slowly look into it. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Look at it. Okay? Oh, okay, dear. Now, I want every one of you to come to the video. Keep the paper, keep the pencil, relax. Place your hands on your thighs. 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 Please come on the video as far as possible. Okay, very nice. I think mostly, wow, the second screen is full of people. Wow. That's great. Acha. Sit. Sit relaxed. Okay. Place your hands on your thighs. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Breathe in, slowly breathe in. Fill the head with oxygen. Breathe out. Slowly breathe in. You are able to feel the breath going in and it fills your head. Breathe out. Breathe in. Fill the head with oxygen. Breathe out. Slowly breathe in. Head, neck, chest. Breathe out. Breathe in. Head, neck, chest, stomach, thighs, legs. Breathe out. Feel that you are a fluid. You are just a fluid. Breathe in. The oxygen flows all over your body. Deep breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in. Feel the oxygen all over your body. Breathe out. Put your complete concentration on your head. It's relax. Relax. Put your complete concentration on your neck, chest, stomach. It's relax. Relax. Put your complete concentration on your thighs, legs, You feel totally relaxed. Put your complete concentration on your spinal cord. Your spinal cord is relaxed. Relax. You are in a complete relaxed position. Now, slowly open your eyes and look at the mandala from the center point. Slowly open your eyes, look at the mandala, the center point. Look at the center point. Slowly widen your thought. Look at the first circle. Now just widen second circle, third circle. Just go inside. Feel the mandala in your mind. Now widen your eyes. Look at each shades. Look at each shades. Pay attention to one shade and just expand your awareness to the complete mandala. Now the whole mandala is in front of you. Just look at it. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now feel the mandala in your mind. See the mandala in your mind. The circles, the color, the shape. See it in your mind. Breathe in, breathe out. Put your complete concentration on your body. It is completely in a relaxed mode. Feel the mandala all over your body. It's in you. Now, just think of the dots and circles which you have made in the paper. Just now you have made a paper and you have made dots. Just bring it in front of you and start coloring it in your mind. Do a mandala in your mind. Become completely engrossed in it and start doing your mandala in your mind. The beautiful mandala is coming in your mind. Just draw it. Draw your mind completely immersed into it. Enjoy the process. Just go through the flow. Draw the mandala. Try to complete the mandala. See it in front of you. Now think of your room. Think of your room. Think about your own self. Slowly open your eyes. Slowly open your eyes. Take the pen and sketch with the same mindset. Start doing your mandala on the paper. Do the mandala in your paper. Just get immersed into it. Just get immersed into it. Start doing the mandala. Just draw the mandala. Become immersed in it. Two more minutes. Let others also do it. Anwar, 2 minutes. Okay. Team, it's wonderful. The time is going. So just come out of your trance. So far when you were doing it, you were in trance, isn't it? Completely you were engrossed into it. Can anyone share your feeling when you were doing it? Whether you were able to, the outside noise, whether anything disturbed you, or whether you were completely engrossed in Mandela. What was that happening when you were actually drawing the Mandela? Is it audible? Rati, is it audible? Yeah. 1 minute. I'm opening it. Yeah. Anyone please raise your hand.
Sir,
Yeah, can hear.
1 minute.
Yes, sir.
Sir, we can hear you.
Please raise your hand. Don't talk. If anybody talks, I will remove them. I am also in a trance state. Please raise your hand. I will talk. Yeah, Amit. Amit, you can talk.
Yes, sir.
Amit, first, Amit.
Yes, sir.
I want to appreciate you, Amit. Amit, whether you have gone to the deep relaxed mode or not, I do not know. Okay, but the way in which you did now, it was tremendous. It has. I was able to understand that you were sincere in your approach. Sincerely, you were drawing. Definitely, I am telling you, Amit, you would have gone to trance. That is, trance means it is nothing with complete awareness. You are able to put your complete productivity. That is trance. You are completely aware and your productivity is there. And it was on the paper. Amit, it was wonderful, Amit. The way in which you were doing, I was watching it by sitting and you were wonderful, Amit. Yeah, Amit,
Thank you,
please.
sir.
Please, sir.
Sir, basically, till the time I was drawing, so I was not able to think anything else. Like, even the single drop was not there in my mind. I was just thinking that now my shade is going on. The different shades are creating. That's it.
Amit, beautiful explanation, beautiful thing. That is what Mandela hypnotherapy. See, nowadays people are inside. Okay, now this is one of the beautiful exercise wherein you will be able to do something productively, and it is a deeply therapeutic. Mandela is a deeply therapeutic. Time and again, many experiments have been conducted, and it has been proven beyond doubt that Mandela is one of the beautiful experiments. Yes, Sarla?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yeah. Anyone who wants to share your opinion, share your feelings. Yeah, Sarla, please show it. It was superb, Sarla. Sarla, it was wonderful. Wonderful. Sarla, when you were making, oh my God, Sarla, 1 minute, Sarla. I will spotlight to everyone. Wow, great. Sarla, what was your feeling, Sarla, when you were drawing? Whether you have completely engrossed yourself or what was happening?
It's like relaxation. It's a free of thought.
Acha, the voice is not coming for Sarla. Anyone else? Anyone else, please share your feedback.
Yes, sir. Shall I?
Yeah, please go ahead. Please go ahead.
Yeah. So I'm still actually, there is a little bit to color actually. My total attention has gone to the, this drawing, and we can say that it's totally, mind relaxation, and our thoughts will be stopped there. You can see my drawing also. And it's
Can you
just
raise
a
that?
soft also. Yeah.
I will put your drawing. Yeah, yeah, that was very nice. Oh, super.
And it's just all the whatever its thoughts are there, whatever the problems are there, all stuck at the moment when we are doing it. Its total attention is going on the coloring and then the drawing. That's what is happening here. So that's I would like to share with you. Thank you so much for the game.
This is what self-hypnosis. Self-hypnosis is nothing but this.
Yeah.
There is no need to think very. See, we are completely engrossed in something and something productive is coming out. See, something productive. See, when you are drawing, it is just like your child. See, Vaishnav Jadhav. Wow, such a beautiful. See this yard. See this. Beautiful, beautiful. Vaishnava Jadhav. Super, wonderful. Can anyone share whether they were able to feel that oneness stage? The oneness means nothing was there in front of me except my Mandela and me and my Mandela. That's all. Can anyone share? Yes?
Yes, sir. There was nothing, like it was blank for me. And I was not even feeling something. My child was playing in the next room and that is open, but I was not feeling anything. I was not listening anything.
Super. Very nice. Anyone else? Anyone else? I can ask only 2 people, then I will move ahead. Anyone who wants to share their... No, actually, one aspect, we are not able to talk. We are not able to talk now. The reason is, it is an experience. You cannot explain the experience. We want to remain calm. We don't want to talk now. We want to sit like this. We want to enjoy the silence. We want to enjoy and we want to expand the Mandela. Our mind says expand the Mandela, isn't it? No, that is what the experience. Garima, see the drawing of Garima. Garima, it was super.
Thank you, sir.
Please take a photo. Please take a photo and share it in my number. And my number I have given here. Okay, 9962163122. Okay.
Okay, sir. Yes,
My
sir.
number. Everyone, please take a snapshot and share it. See, hypnosis and hypnotherapy. It is heightened awareness. When you were doing Mandela, you were in the highest awareness. You were having highest suggestibility. Suggestibility means your mind says something which you are putting it in the paper. How to draw, how the hand has to move, suggestion. See, self-hypnosis means you are giving suggestion to your own self. The hand has to move like this. The shape has to come like this. And it moves, it goes, and it goes, and it goes. And that is what self-hypnosis. And nothing is there in the realm. Nothing is in the consciousness. Just me and my Mandela. That is what the hypnotic Mandela. Hypnotic Mandela is one of the beautiful aspects for mindfulness, for relieving stress. People, whoever is having any kind of wounds, okay, the past wound. Mandela is one of the beautiful methods. It can revive you completely. And this is a complementary therapy. This is not something which is standalone. This will relieve your tension. This releases your stress. Okay. So when you were doing, you were in the hypnotic trance. Slowly we started doing it in the mind. We did it in the paper. We did it on the mind. Then again we started doing it on the paper. And we became completely, we have been into the trance. And which I was able to see from most of you. Have you enjoyed the session today? If you have enjoyed, at least put yes.
Yes, sir.
Tomorrow,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
something more. We will talk hypnotherapy from various. Today,
Yes, sir.
say Mandela. Tomorrow, something else. Every
Yes,
day,
sir.
we will be having surprises.
Absolutely, very super.
The only aspect is, sir,
Wow,
this is
super,
a free
sir.
program.
Yes,
What
sir.
I think I have to listen to 1 hour talk. With that, you might have come. I think
Hi, sir.
it is something else which has happened. Hope you have enjoyed. I feel that you would have enjoyed. And I thank all of you when I was giving the lecture to you. When I was talking with you, I was in my self-hypnosis. I was in my
Hello,
self-hypnosis.
sir.
And I
Only
was-
one question.
Yes, Fatima?
Sir, if you feel relaxation with Mandela, firstly, do we have to watch any pictures or any sceneries before we feel relaxation by the use of Mandela?
I'm not able to get your question. Can you repeat it?
if we want to feel any relaxation by the use of mandala, do we have to use any sceneries or pictures to?
Nothing, Fatima, nothing. The only thing you know how to draw mandala. Okay, just for example, see some mandala and give creativity. Give way to your creativity. You and your paper. In between, no one else. That is what mandala. Nothing. Today we have did this because a few of you may not know what is mandala.
What do you think?
So I gave. Okay, team. Thank you very much. Let us meet.
Thank you, sir.
Let us meet.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you very much,
Very much.
sir.
Thank you very much, sir.
That's quite insightful.